How to connect LED Smart TV with mobile. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to easily connect your mobile phone to your LED Smart TV. Whether you want to control the TV with your phone, mirror your screen or cast videos, I'll walk you through the simple steps. Let's get started. Section 1. Using LED Think app. First, let's connect your phone using the LED Think app, which turns your phone into a smart remote control. Step 1. Download the LG Think app from the Play Store or App Store. Then, make sure your phone and TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. After that, open the app, log in or sign up and tap Add a device. Select TV and choose your LG TV from the list. And then, confirm the code that appears on your TV. Done! You can now control your TV right from your phone. Section 2. Screen mirroring. Now if you want to mirror your Android screen to the TV, do this. Step 1. On your LG TV, open the screen share feature. Then, on your phone, swipe down and tap Cast, Smart View or Screen Mirror. The name may vary depending on your phone. Step 3. Select LG TV from the list and accept the connection on the TV. That's it. Your phone screen is now showing on the TV. For iPhone users, here's how to use AirPlay. Step 1. On your LG TV, go to Settings, General, Apple AirPlay Settings and make sure AirPlay is turned on. On your iPhone, swipe down from the top right to open Control Center, and then tap Screen Mirroring and select your LG TV. Your iPhone will now mirror its screen to the TV. And that's it. Now you know how to connect your phone to your LG Smart TV in a few easy ways, whether to control it, mirror the screen, or stream videos. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next time.